The Nagaland State Disaster Management Authority and the Nagaland Geographical Information System has sent out drones in the skies of Kohima to deliver emergency medical supplies to COVID-19 hospitals, quarantine centers and COVID care centers in Kohima with zero human contact. The drones were used to deliver medical supplies weighing about 10 kg per trip. The GIS Nagaland plans to extend their services across the state in due course of time to have a drone with sufficient payload capacities. In Zan's report. The Nagaland Geographical Information System began drone delivery of medical kits including PPE suits, face masks, sanitizers and disinfectant liquids to hospital and quarantine center in Kohima with zero human contact. The program has been initiated by the Nagaland State Disaster Management Authority in collaboration with Nagaland GIS and Remote Sensing under the Planning and Coordination Department. GIS Project Director Planning Department Mathung Kitang said that initially it was a new technology. The program was initiated at such time of COVID pandemic to focus on providing with services with zero human contact so that human lives will not be in danger. Kitang also said that with so much trials and research, the first drone delivery was done at NHAK COVID-19 hospital.
Our focus will not only be to showcasing technology. Our focus is based on providing services and providing so that human lives are not in danger. So those are our motive. But initially, when we see around, we see that so many people were excited to see this technology. But our perspective in this one will be different than being excited. It will be for delivery of service.
He claimed that the drones were used to deliver PPE suits, face masks, sanitizers and disinfectants liquids weighing about 10 kg per trip to the quarantine centers and COVID hospitals in Kohima districts basing on their needs and requirements. Ketang also informed that the department has also plans to develop in order to extend their services across the state in due course of time, adding that they have a future plan to have a drone with sufficient payload capacities.
It is not only Kohima, it's not only the district that is affected. As we see, all 11 districts are affected by this pandemic. We plan to extend our service across the state in due course of time. There is a plan that we have already discussed about it, like to have a drone with sufficient payload. It could be maybe 20-25 kg, we never know, it will be based on the design. And then we were also planning to have not battery operated, but rather we will have a gen operated UAV system that would have a sufficient payload capability.
He further stated that the state GIS is also a pioneer in this field and more advanced in the northeast states as they have already trained some of them from the center and some from other states from the country, which included assembling and flying of the unmanned aerial vehicle.
Payload dropping, not necessarily as for this COVID related, but then we were experimenting this in terms of dispersal of seeds in the field, or even for mob, for mob that we are working on a thing like dropping of tear gas and things like that. So those were some of the trials that we were earlier carrying out, or even the spraying of pesticides. Those were the things that we have already tried before, and we are already under experiment.
GIS Nagaland engineer Ketho Reitu Kisize said that the delivery of the other quarantine centers hospital in Kohima district will be followed. The engineer said that the drone have the capacity to carry a payload of about 15 kg with zero human contact with a range of 36 km. He also added that around 30 to 40 trips could be made in a day depending on the distance and time, and expressed that the department can develop bigger drones powered by petrol besides battery drones. In the latest, with the initiatives of the GIS and NSDMA, a drone delivered medical materials out from the medical college area to K. Badza Quarantine Center with a distance of 2.8 km. With Insan Bemukho, Kohima.